All right, get going. See what mommy's doing? Move all of the rocks. Every single rock. Come on, go. Move. Get out of my way. Where you going? Big thing of dirt. Lots of dirt. Not that much, actually. About 3 yards? Not even. Yeah, about 3 yards. Gonna do all the flower beds and stuff like that. Hey, good dancing, bud. Around the trees. Gonna use this stuff around the trees too, because the rest of it's all just gonna be regular gardens and stuff. And I'm amazed the kids aren't out here. We actually are allowing them to throw rocks, you know. So yeah, we got this whole thing here, and then that little one around that tree. There's that tree around that holly bush, all throughout there. Oh, I got to move all that wood out of the way too when we put stuff there. Then there's the garden up front. I'll go and show you that here quick too. And I got to do this triangle area here. So I think I did this like the second year we moved in. I just took all the sod out and then ripped up as much of the crappy rock infested dirt. So all we got to do around these two, move these rocks. So then we have to at least get dirt in there, because got flowers up there that are not looking very healthy in those boxes. They're going to go down there by the fire, what do you call it? That thing, the mailbox. Then it's a really quiet bike. Gonna move that rose bush there. That's a, what was that? A peach colored Sheila is what it was called. The thing is amazing smelling. It's just an amazing perfume. Then we're gonna move that one. As you can see, snapdragons are all around it. So most of this is gonna come back up as snapdragons. There's some there. Oh, those are lilies. And, oh wow, those are lilies up there too. Holy cow. What else is growing in here? Lots of weeds. That was like a what is it, a Madonna? Medusa? No, Madonna lily. That was more snapdragon. That was a snapdragon back there. Those are going to be irises. That's Virginia spiderwort there and there. And then of course here, and then there's spots in the back. These are crepe myrtles, I think. Yeah, I think it was this one actually. Yep, there we go. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's buds coming up on it. And today's the 13th. Yeah, 13th of April. Freaking over 80 degrees here in the mid-Atlantic when it shouldn't be. Yeah, all the Unimus is looking good. There's that Siberian crab apple. That's looking phenomenal. All right, you know what? I think the first thing we should do, if anything, Colleen, first thing we got to do with that dirt pile. Come on, what is it? We own Jeeps. Let's put a Jeep on top of that thing. Dirt in that thing, man. Come on. It's fine. Freshly processed. Look at you. Throwing that stuff in like it's nothing. You want a shovel? Yeah. Hey, what do you think? Look at her. She can drive a dump truck. That. Want some help? Honestly. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, Mom, do that.
Throw some water.
Spray water on him. Get the hose, Mom. Spray him. Mom, get the hose and spray him.
Yeah, stop, Aiden. Haha. Yeah, you get some freaking distance there in length, man. I mean, I can't even do that. Jesus, honey. Uh-oh. Here it comes. Just wood falling by the wind. Of course, a breeze comes in just when I was going.
What's that?
That's so mean. I love it. Do it again.
Do him.
Oh no! You're so mean. I'm gonna rename this channel to Mean Mom.
Yeah, I don't want you to hurt yourself, babes.
I know. Just kind of loosening up, hopefully.
Screw you guys.
Want to try with the shovel for a second or two? While I try to not die. See how hard it is?
Yeah. You okay? You wanna try? Yeah.
Remember which one's which?
Have no clue.
Alright.
Never knew the names. I just know Mom's rose bush 1, Mom's rose bush 2.
Alright, well, let's put number 1 in this hole. And then we'll put number 2 in that hole. What? Huh? Oh, actually, this one needs to be dug out a little bit more. And then easy over there.
Well, we'll have to dig that one out.
Yeah, I just said that.
Well, I know. I'm restating it.
You found a bunch of ants?
I can't hear you. What?
The kid said he found a bunch of ants.
Oh.
Where is he?
He's ant hunting. He's up there.
Mom. Wait. Mother's Day flowers. Here you go. This is your Mother's Day present. I mean, birthday present.
That was already a Mother's Day present from years ago.
Do we want Osmocote?
Yes. Osmocote.
So we're gonna have to get some of that soil. That for this.
Yeah. So we'll actually, you know, wait until she brings the Osmocote out. Put a little bit of that in. I love it. Here, honey, you're gonna have to do this. It's hurting too much.
That's fine.
I don't want to hurt myself anymore.
What, buddy?
Look at brother.
Oh, your juice is in the garage, baby.
I'm sorry. I'll get it. I got you. Hold on.
Did you say where your juice is? Is it? Like, will my rose bush be okay?
Yeah, and hey, that should be good enough now. All this swearing and I'm videotaping. All this time. All this swearing.
Huh? That's why there's a beep button.
There is no mute button.
Beep.
A beep button?
Yes, beep me out.
I'm gonna beep you. Hey, I beep and love you. I'm going to die. Little Osmocote. Oh yeah. Is it deep enough? Well, that's all right because remember there's more topsoil coming over top of it, so. Nice stuff, huh? Yeah, just give it a good tamping down and stuff like that. I'll just water them and we'll just hope and pray. Thoughts and prayers. No, I shouldn't even say that. I'll edit that out.